Corners Outreach of Gwinnett County hosted a ribbon-cutting ceremony and provided the public with tours of their newly completed facility on Shackelford Road in Norcross, Georgia. The Gateway 85 CID and Corners Outreach recognize the Gwinnett County area as the nation's leading hub of diversity, a diversity that brings economic growth and the opportunity to enhance lives. Corners Outreach has been dedicated to breaking cycles of generational poverty and fostering community strength in Metro Atlanta. Their mission is to empower underserved students and their families through educational development and economic opportunities. Chief Operations Officer Adrian Hamilton Butler welcomed visitors by highlighting the organization's mission.
Where we have this beautiful space of belonging, of growing, developing, sharing, places where families can come and see their little ones explore and learn, where parents can be a part of the learning process, where teenagers can expand their horizons and think beyond the high school experience, where adults who see only barriers, whether it's because of language or nationality or race, can come and be a part of something that's big and bold and courageous with our view of one community.
Corners Outreach President and CEO Larry Campbell is thrilled by the community support and its partnership with the Gateway 85 CID.
Yeah, I think first off you have to recognize that because we work with over 1,000 families that all live here, we get to see every day the true experiences that they have. And when you see those experiences, you can't take those away. Gateway 85 is bringing tremendous resources and tremendous relationships in other areas. So together, they know people we don't know and we know people they don't know, and together we can actually create that change management. But mostly we can love those families through that difficult time period, and we can see the beauty they have. So often I think we see them differently. We see them with great assets, and the color that they have brings great beauty to America, which is what America was founded on.
United Way of Greater Atlanta's Regional Director Denise Townsend is excited for their offices to be moving into the Corners Outreach building.
We have been in Gwinnett County, I would say 20 plus years. Our service extends the full range of the different things we prioritize. Everything from early learning, college and career readiness, economic stability. All of those things we support here in Gwinnett County through many, many different partners, but not just our partners that provide services directly to communities like Corners does, but also through the networks and the relationships that we have, because we show up here locally in Gwinnett to identify and prioritize resources and solutions and to make sure we're all pulling in the same direction.
Family well-being will be facilitated on-site through services provided by Viewpoint Health.
So we are moving one of our outpatient clinics and two of our youth-serving clubhouses into the fourth floor of the Corners Outreach building. We are so excited to have this opportunity because the individuals and the families that we serve need the Corners Outreach services as well. And the individuals and families that Corners Outreach serves need Viewpoint Health services. We provide behavioral health services with our mental health counseling as well as substance use counseling. And we serve children and adults. And we believe that the earlier you can intervene on any of those issues, the more healthy our community is going to be. And we're so excited to have this opportunity.
Corners Academy works with kids from preschool to 12th grade, while Corners Workforce provides training leading to more fulfilling career opportunities. Corners Industries provides actual jobs for parents of students being served by the outreach programs.
Well, I think this is a culmination of lots of work, both in understanding the needs of our community, but pulling together partnerships that can impact our community. We're not going to do it by ourselves. We've got to do it. We're better together is our slogan. It's a great day because it rallies us to the needs of our families, and from that rally, we can inspire each other to do more.
Corners Outreach, connecting lives at every corner. To learn more, become a volunteer, or a customer, please visit Corners Outreach online today.